North Korea President Kim Jong-un has been seen crying while appealing to North Korea's women to have more children. The birth rate in North Korea is declining. Therefore, Kim has asked women to have more babies in a bid to strengthen national power. In a video, the supreme leader dabbed his eyes with a handkerchief while making the appeal during an event for mothers in Pyongyang. According to media reports, he said stopping the decline in birth rates and providing good child care and education are all our family affairs that we should solve together with our mothers. As per United Nations data, the average number of children being born in North Korea by a mother stood at 1.8 as of 2023 amid an extended fall in birth in recent decades. The figure remains higher than North Korea's neighbors, which are also witnessing a downward trend. South Korea's fertility rate is the lowest in the developed world. It is largely because of the competitive school market, weak childcare, male-centered corporate culture, etc. In the 1970s to 80s, North Korea implemented birth control programs to slow post-war population growth. However, the population began declining in the region after a famine in the mid-1990s that was estimated to have killed hundreds of thousands of people. In a bid to tackle the low birth rates, North Korea introduced a set of benefits for families with three or more children, including preferential free housing arrangements, state subsidies, free food, medicine and household goods, and educational perks for children. A report said that North Korea is expected to experience a population shrink from 2034 and forecast its population would decrease to 23.7 million by 2070. North Korea, which has a population of about 25 million people, has in recent decades also had to contend with serious food shortages, including deadly famine in the 1990s, often a result of natural disasters such as floods damaging harvests.